विदेशी ई कॉमर्स कंपन्यांकडेन स्पर्धा करूंक मोदी सरकार नवे पोर्टल तयार करता. तशेंच मेक इन इंडिया उपरांत सरकार आतां सर्व द वर्ल्ड बाय इंडिया ह्या संकल्पनेचेर नवो उपक्रम करतलो. भारतांतल्या सेवा उद्देगाक संवसारीक पातळीचेर उर्बा दिवंक म्हूण मोदी सरकार हो उपक्रम चालीक लावपाचो आसा अशें केंद्रीय वाणिज्य उद्देग मंत्री सुरेश प्रभू उलयले. द गोवानाचे अतिथी संपादक म्हणून आयिल्ले कडेन प्रुडंटान तांकां गाठले.
We have Union Commerce and Industry Minister Suresh Prabhuji. Sir, what are the challenges before your ministry as of now?
See, we are now planning to take India's GDP to $5 trillion to make it India world's third largest economy, and we are preparing a plan as to how and which sectors can contribute significantly to that growth in India. So one is obviously the target is to make $1 trillion of manufacturing in India. So Make in India will take that share of GDP to manufacturing to a higher level. Secondly, services sector should contribute to at least 65% of that $5 trillion. Would mean almost more than $3 trillion will come, 3.5 million trillion dollar will come from services. So we are preparing a program for services, and a big program will be launched in somewhere in May, called Serve the World by India. So that not only will create service sector growth in India, but also create more service sector opportunities globally, so that our GDP will also rise, but people will also get employment. Similarly, for agriculture, we are in the process of making agri-export policy for the first time. So farmers' income will be doubled. To double farmers' income, whenever there is a surplus production in India, they should be able to export it, so that falling prices as a result of increased production will not cut into the income, but actually will increase the income. So we are working on that. Also, we are preparing a strategy as to how can we take growth to a particular district. So district-wise plans are being prepared. We are also identifying new emerging industries which are not yet born, like artificial intelligence, like genomics, like advanced materials, and all those industries we are planning so that these industries can become the fuel for growth for tomorrow. So it's a very comprehensive strategy that we are working on.
Is there any roadmap for connecting farmers with Digital India?
See, we have already got quite a few programs for that. How to use digital platform to help farmers to increase their income, to improve productivity, to monitor everything. So one of that is to create a digital market so that farmers will be able to sell product from one district to another district, from one state to another state without any problem. So that is one program that is being launched. Also, the soil testing come soil card, which are being now put it on website through the digital platform, so that cropping pattern can be decided based on your soil condition as well as the climatic condition prevailing in that area. So a lot of programs are being launched for the farmers through digital platform, including giving them advice. So agri clinics will also offer them help through digital platform. So a lot of ideas are being implemented through digital platform.
Sir, in the e-commerce sector, we usually see that foreigner players are ruling India. What do you expect from the Indian players?
No, so e-commerce is a very important development. We are encouraging that. In fact, my ministry, we are planning to create a portal for all the artisans in the country. They'll be able to market their products through the digital platform. We're also working on initiatives so that startups will get connected to the virtual world by creating a virtual marketplace through this platform. So a lot of programs are being planned for all, and a digital revolution which will going to help us tremendously. This will bridge not only the rural-urban divide, but which will bridge the rich-poor divide. Technology will be the great leveler, and therefore we are trying to work on that, and I think this will be a transformative step.
म्हादय खातीर गोंयचे 21 एनजीओ महागठबंधन करून एकठांय आयल्यात. पर्रीकारान कर्नाटकाचो बीजेपीचो अध्यक्ष येडियुरप्पाक म्हादयचें उदक दिवपा विशीं बरयल्ल्या पत्राक एक्टिविस्टांनी खर हरकत घेतल्या. पर्रीकारान कर्नाटका मुखार कशेंच मारतें घेवचें ना म्हूण पयलीं स्टँड घेतिल्लो, आतां यू टर्न मारलो. एनजीओचो हो ग्रूप खंय गोंयभर मिटिंगो घेतलो, सयांची मोहीम चलयतलो.
We are asking by this a resolution has been passed here by all the NGOs that the Chief Minister should withdraw the letter dated 21st December 2017 forthwith. This is one of the resolutions that has been passed. Let me repeat it. The Chief Minister should withdraw the letter dated 21st December 2017 issued by him to Yedurappa, the leader of opposition in Karnataka. Secondly, all political parties should declare their policy and the stand over the Madai river issue. That too, they should do it as early as possible. Third is, all 40 MLAs should declare their individual stand on the Madai river issue. Goa government should wait for the judgment of the tribunal. Now, as far as that is concerned, I may have to elaborate a bit. The time period for the tribunal gets over in August. We are given to understand that one of the judges has already started writing the judgment. So when we are in the final stages, submissions are almost over. What is the tearing hurry that we should change our stand at this stage?
Give a break.